All right. Welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. Today we're going to be making a squirrel nibbling on a little piece of corn. Now, I don't know about y'all, but squirrels are pretty prevalent in my yard. In order to make it, we're going to go vertical and we're going to start with a little circle for his head. Now, in a minute, we will give him some shaping for the snout, but right now we just need a circle. Then we're going to come curve down like you were making a bowling pin. Then curve a little bit in and out and finish off your bowling pin. All right, now from here, we're going to come from the bottom, but a little bit to the right and curve up and back to the right. We're going to touch his back. We're going to come up and let it come underneath this piece. All right, now next up, we're going to fix his nose up. So we're going to come down and out. And then for his ears, we're going to come one ear. And this other one is going to be behind his head on this side. His little nose is going to be a little triangular shape. Then we're going to come and give him his eye. They have fairly large beady eyes. Back along in line with his nose. And then we're going to give him a little eyebrow. Okay. Now, we know that this isn't important anymore. And we know that this doesn't play a big role anymore. So we can get rid of both of those to help us out. Now, most of the time, they tend to have a white section on their body. We're going to do that in just a second. All right, let's get him his arms. He's going to go down and down, up and up. And as you get to the second rectangle, those are going to come together. Then we're going to give him his little paw, just a little circle, and we'll go back and add fingers in a little bit. All right, now to get his second, it would go out, out, and then there's his second paw. He almost looks like he's boxing, doesn't he? All right, we're going to come get his haunch and his leg. So bump up and curve around down. We're going to come back for his behind and in. And then we're going to come under for his foot. 1, 2. And we're going to let that third foot hide underneath his leg. All right, now for the second foot. We're going to come forward from that location on his stomach. And we're going to come out with 1, 2, 3. All right, now he needs his little piece of corn to eat. So I'm going to come up and down in like a long leafish kind of shape. Then once I've got that, I'm going to come in and give it a little bottom. Now, I don't know about you guys. One of my mother's squirrels at our house when we were little actually took an entire tomato, like a big, juicy red tomato, off of the feeder that we had and went and carried it around for himself. But I think today he's going to have some corn. All right, to show where his little neck is bending in, we're going to put this right here. And then we're going to come and create his white belly and neck. So curving up above that bend, coming down, and then this and this become white. Okay. The most intricate part is his legs. So we'll do that first. Okay. I am going to pay attention to where I'm sharpening the ears. because I know that some of it will actually be behind what I'm sharpening. Oh, now he looks kind of mad. You'll notice eyebrows change things a lot. So if you're looking to make a change in what you're drawing, try changing the eyeballs. 1, 2, 3, and then down, up. Make sure this part's wider than this part. Then you're going to come down along the tummy line, out for the leg, out, and 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to come make his tail. And then we're going to come and attach to his behind. Okay, then we're going to come and get his little corn cob. That's either one of those baby corns or this is a monster squirrel. Either could be possible. And I'm going to get my tiny Sharpie to come in and add his nose. And get his piece coming down. And then draw my corn kernels. Okay. So you guys are good to start. You can also come in and give him some swirling lines in his tail to kind of emphasize where the fur would be moving and swishing around. But that's totally up to you. So I will see you guys later. Bye.